Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I will show you how to make orange marmalade at home. Watch how easy it is to make orange marmalade with just fresh oranges and sugar. It is absolutely delicious and so much better than anything you can get in the store. So let's get started. This time of the year, I buy pesticide-free organic oranges from a local farmer and make my orange marmalade in bulk. The first thing I want to do is to sterilize jars for orange marmalade. Put the jars in large boiling water. Then let them dry completely on a cooling rack. Take 4 oranges and cut them into 6. Remove the skin by hands. I will use the skin of 2 oranges in the marmalade, so let's put the skin aside. Take a segment and remove membranes for all oranges. You want to do this over the bowl because lots of juice will come out. The juice will be used in the marmalade. As you prepare the oranges, save the seeds. You will use the seeds to make natural pectin for the marmalade. Put seeds in a sachet and make a pectin bag. I will remove the white portion called pith. This portion tastes bitter, so I want to slice them off. Weigh the orange and the skin. Then calculate the sugar amount. The ratio of sugar to the orange is about 65%. Place the orange and sugar in a pot. Put the skin in boiling water and boil for 3 minutes. Drain the water and then repeat this process. Take a skin and slice into thin slices. Add thinly sliced orange skin and make sure to place a pectin bag on top. Heat the pot on medium heat, and when it comes to boil, reduce the heat to low-medium. Simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until thickened. Pour into jars. You can keep them in refrigerator for up to 3 months. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye!